Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to delete array items based on the index value. And this is going to be using HTML and JavaScript. So already I have a container, and this container contains all these items and a delete button associated with each of those items. And how I'm creating these items is in the JavaScript, where I have an array of 3 string items, and I'm using a for each to get each value, and then creating some of these codes to display these values. And what I want to do is when I click on a delete button, it should remove the item from the array, and then we'll rerun the function where it's been created, and then it should show us 2 items. If there's 3 and we click on the delete button, it should show us 2 items. So the first step is we want an onClick function on the button. This actually should be delete button, but I'll just keep it as button for now. And we're going to say button.onClick equals function. And just to see if our buttons are actually working as they're supposed to be, when I click on this, it should alert us the letter S. Same for all 3 buttons, but if I click anywhere else, then there's nothing. So the first thing we want to do is actually add another parameter in this for each, and it's going to be the index. So this index, if I click on button, it should give us the index associated with the item, and that would be displaying us the index value. So if I alert index and I click on the first button, this should give us an alert with a value of 0. And if I click on the second one, it should give us an alert with the index of 1. Good. Now the value we want to compare this to is the array item. And we can do that by having an array dot filter. So filter is we're going to have a condition, and if a certain item meets that condition, then we will return that value and it will give us a new array. So we want to update the array once with this new filtered array. And also in here, we'll just write item 2. We also want to have the index of the filtered items. So in here, we want to have an if statement where if the index of the clicked button and the item associated with it index, and that is equal to any of the items in this, then we don't want to show it. We don't want to have that value in our new array. So if that index is not equal to the index, the filtered index, then we want to get that value inside our new array. So if it's not the clicked value, so if I click on item 3 delete button, that has an index of 2, so these 2 items will be inside this if statement or this condition. And then inside here, we just write return, and we're not going to write item, we're going to write item 2, because we're using the item from this filtered array. So it's not going to work quite yet because we haven't called this function once again. And if we click on it, we also need to clear the container so that the new items will be updated, which I already have a variable on top. So con.innerHTML, and we'll just empty. So if I look back at the code, when we click on the button, we'll update the array with this new filtered array where we're giving the values that don't equal the clicked index, and we're returning that item here. And then once we call this function again, we'll empty it and update it with this new array and recreate these elements. So let me look here. Array. So when we click on this button, we actually don't want to create items every single time because we're just re-rendering this function. So we want to actually do it when we click on the button. Yep, that should work now. If we look on the right side, it's giving us these array items values on the side. And when we click on 2, it gets rid of item 2 if we click on the first item, and then it removes all those items. So this is actually, we're updating the array with a new filtered array, and filter, once met the condition, we can return the values that we want. So that's how you remove an array value based on the index values. So I hope you guys learned something new, and thanks for watching.